I am going to report about the activity 1, which is the laboratory materials used in analytical chemistry. My objective is to understand and comprehend the function of the tools. So first is the graduated cylinder. A graduated cylinder is used routinely for measuring volume and is considered more accurate than a beaker because of the permanently marked incremental graduations incorporated in the clear cylinder. Second is volumetric flask. A volumetric flask is used when it is necessary to know both precisely and accurately the volume of the solution that is being prepared. Like volumetric pipettes, volumetric flasks come in different sizes depending on the volume of the solution being prepared. Next is the Erlenmeyer flask. Erlenmeyer flasks are used to contain liquids for mixing, heating, cooling, incubation, filtration, storage, and other liquid handling processes. Their slanted sides and narrow necks allow the contents to be mixed by swirling without the risk of spills, which is useful for titrations and for boiling liquids. Next is the boiling flask. A Florence flask or boiling flask is a type of flask used as an item of laboratory glassware and is named after the city Florence, Italy. It is used as a container to hold liquids. A Florence flask has a round body, a long neck, and often a flat bottom. Volumetric pipettes are designed to very accurately transfer a specific amount of solution. These pipettes can only be used to deliver the volume of liquids for which it is calibrated. Volumetric pipettes have narrow tips and a bulb-like expansion in the middle. More pipettes. More pipette, also known as graduated pipettes, is a type of pipette used to measure the volume of the liquid dispensed, although not as accurately as volumetric pipette. These use a series of marked lines to indicate the different volumes. Serological pipette is nearly ubiquitous laboratory instrument used for transferring milliliter volumes of liquid. Serological pipettes typically have gradations along their sides for measuring the amount of liquid being aspirated or dispensed. Eppendorf micropipette are common laboratory tool used to measure and transport liquid. Due to the cost of these useful instruments, you'll have to take care to preserve their conditions. Pipettes also have different colored tips which represents different dosages. Gas head value burette. It is used in quantitative chemical analysis to measure the volume of the liquid or gas. Telephone value burette. It is used as manual shut-off valves for glassware such as burettes, column, flasks, separatory funnels. So my generalization of this activity is that we must know our lab equipment and how to use it for not only our experiment but also faults that may occur during or after the experiment. That's all. Thank you.